Hey Ronnie, Ronnie, I'm feeling kinda hungry, but then you say you can order, but you can't eat it. Wait, that's so unfair.
Hey everyone, today I'll be making onigiri. No rice cooker? No problem. Here's how to cook the rice in a pot. Let's go! First things first, rinse the rice. Discard the first water immediately as the rice may absorb it. Rinse the rice a few times. Once the water runs clear like this, it's good to go. Drain well. Now add water. And let soak for 30 minutes. This step is to allow the rice to cook fluffy. After 30 minutes, I'm going to add some season. Sake, salt, corn cap, and fire. Over high heat. Once it comes to boil, gently stir the entire pot and flatten it out. Now cover. I also close the vent and reduce the heat to low. Cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat. And let it sit for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, now you can cook the rice without rice cooker. I'm going to add some sesame oil and katsuobushi, bonito flakes. Shape the rice into whatever shape you like, but the most common shape is a triangle. Let's make tuna mayo. Tuna mayo is the most popular filling for onigiri. Wrapping it in seaweed makes it look more like traditional onigiri. Umeboshi, pickled plum, is also traditional filling. What kind of filling do you like in your onigiri? Hey, thanks guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.